YouTube. But that shit dookie, dead homies. Today, man, I'm gonna be putting you niggas on. I'm gonna show you niggas how to make like clips on PC, like, you feel me? So like, you see how I got all these clips and shit I be making and shit. How do you can turn all your regular form clips into like a real clip for like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, or whatever, you feel me? Yeah, so you feel me? You make sure you wanna have CapCut, bro. So this is a CapCut method. This is not for no other editing software. I don't really use shit else but CapCut. I used to use Adobe, but I don't really use that shit. That shit is extra as fuck. So I just use this shit from now on. So yeah, you wanna go to shit, you wanna grab a little video that you wanna edit, like shit, say I wanna fuck around and edit this little shit right here. Boom, drag the clip down, feel me? Groovy. What you wanna do, so you have two clips going over the same, like it's the same thing. You wanna drag the clip again, bring that bitch to the same spot. See that? I literally just dragged and dropped two clips in the same spot. Now you feel me? You wanna make your little edits or whatever, like whatever little random little edits you wanna make or whatever, little bullshit, like little bullshit, little random shit you wanna make. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all know how to like regularly edit. If you don't know how to like do the regular edits, my nigga, I don't know. I'm on like more of the intermediate advanced level with this shit, gang. So boom, if it's too loud or the clip sounds like it's overlapping, you want to just take the top clip, mute that bitch. Boom. All right, so now you want to boom. All right, so yeah, you right here. This is what all you got right here. You should see your shit should just look like this. Come right here to ratio. Change that bitch to 9:16. Feel me? Boom. That's the top clip. The bottom clip is always gonna be your like gameplay. Like, this is gonna be the clip that you're gonna put for gameplay. Your face shouldn't be nowhere in this clip. It should be straight gameplay. Top clip, boom. You see it right here? I'm moving it. Boom. You wanna go right here. You wanna right click. You wanna go to edit, crop ratio, crop your body or crop your face cam the best way you can. Shit. That's cool. Shit. You can make it bigger, smaller, however you need to fix it, however you need it to be. Feel me? Boom. That's how you do that shit. Simple. Swear to God, like, just follow them steps right there. That's how you make a clip, gang. Like, I swear to God. I mean, if you want to add text, you go to advanced. Like, you want to like the text to like when you're talking, you want to like talk with the text to go with what you're saying. You go to text, go to advanced, press generate. You got to make sure you got CapCut Pro though. You do need that shit though. I ain't gonna lie. Boom, back to it, generate, just so it go faster. So I ain't doing this shit forever. That was a whole 15-minute clip. I'm tweaking. Boom. Then you come over here to zoom it in so you can like edit better and your shit's better. You see how? All right, hold on. Then you go to templates. You need these. You feel me? You could do. Always use this one right here. Always use that one. Oh, I told nigga how to whip that cat though. Feel me?
My fucking TX is bugging, bro.
Yeah. But yeah, gang, that's how you make a motherfucking little clip, man. Toss on any little social media that you need to do. Feel me? And then when you export your shit, make sure all your shit over here. Put this on 60 FPS so your clip ain't laggy as fucking shit. And then when you export it, boom, when you go to export, make sure your shit's on 4K, bitrate higher. Put it on, make sure all this shit is like this. You should be good. And then pick a folder that you want to put it to. Then, you feel me? Select folder, export. There, gang. And you gonna export it to your little, what's the name? And yeah, man, you gonna export it to your little motherfucking, your little gallery, your little shit, your little files, Explorer, whatever. It should be in wherever you saved it at. I ain't saved the clip because I don't need to. Like, I was just showing you how to do this shit. But this is some shit I did earlier. You can still walk back down that goddamn way. Where the flashlight at, cuz? I can't see a fuck thing. Yeah. Gotcha, bitch. Yeah, man. That's how you do that shit, man. Drop you some clips, man. You can clip farm. You can clip a lot of shit with that. You could take other motherfuckers' clips and do that shit. Drop it on a random channel. Get your channel to go up. You can make money off of this shit. This shit's easy. I'm telling you, like, you can literally make so much cheese off of just clipping clips and posting that shit on a random channel that you got and get that channel busting. You just gotta post. But yeah, man, that's how you clip, man. See you bitch ass niggas in the next video. Yeah, did. Sturdy.